Helping people just came naturally to Becca Mack. All of her too short career was spent in the NHS, first as a children's cancer nurse and then as a call handler on the 111 service. She was self-isolating at home on Sunday night, but then suddenly her symptoms worsened.
She was such a trooper. She knew that an ambulance is only to be called when it's really a matter of life and death. She was really kind of sticking up for the NHS in every way she possibly could.
Becca's best friend Sarah told me that Becca did eventually dial 999 on Sunday, but the virus had already overcome her. The 29-year-old was dead when the paramedics arrived.
I know she wouldn't have called an ambulance unless she was really, really in trouble. So that's what's kind of heartbreaking about it, is that she must have been, she must have known that she was really in trouble when she called.
In East London, a group of quadruplets, Haida and Zayan, Maheen and Zareen, are staying with their uncle. Their parents went to a family wedding in Pakistan last month. Their mum, Shabnam, fell ill soon afterwards, and she died in hospital there on Monday.
With what happened to her, it was just heart-wrenching, really. We can't believe what's happened, really. You know, her lungs collapsed. Obviously, she went the pneumonia state. Then they sedated her, and we never saw her, never got to see her face, never got to say goodbye.
The number of people who have died with coronavirus in hospitals here continues to rise. There were a record 938 in the last 24 hours, most of them still in London. But in the Midlands, there were 171. And the North West, North East and South East all recorded more than 100 each. Grim figures once again, but from the officials today, a note of optimism.
This count of new cases in the UK, day by day, over the last few weeks, is not accelerating out of control. Yesterday, there were 5,492 new cases, and the spread of this virus is not accelerating, and that is good news.
Birmingham's NEC is now another vast building which bears the name Nightingale. There's room for 4,000 beds here. It'll open on Friday, while loved ones are mourned by people who couldn't say goodbye. Geraint Vincent, ITV News.